Hi, hello.
Welcome to my channel. So guys, there's something different about me. Can you tell?
No, and I don't think anybody cares.
Should I come closer?
No, that's okay. Obviously, we know what's up.
Yes, my eyebrows are not done. I don't know if you could tell. Was it obvious? Yep. So there's a lot of commotion going on in the world. I'm officially out of a job.
Yep, everything is fine.
But my eyebrows can still look poppin'.
Yes.
I know this is a big deal for me because my eyebrows are always done. They're ready to go, make an appearance out in the world. Okay, I've been dying to use this line. A lot of people have been asking me to do my eyebrow routine because they're just so famous and so perfect. So on this glorious day, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a quick, easy eyebrows. I'm gonna keep things pretty simple because life is complicated enough.
Yep.
I'm gonna be using only 2 brow products. It's the secret to my brows. Do you guys remember when brows used to look like worms on your face back in like 2017? Do you guys remember that? That was a very scary moment in our lives, but you know what? We have moved on. I just feel like worms should stay on the ground.
Okay.
So yes, I'm gonna be only using 2 products to do my eyebrows.
Oh.
Mind-blowing, isn't it? I'll try to make it quick times because obviously I don't want to be taking up too much of y'all time. I mean, I'm just at home bored being a housewife and all. I don't really have better things to do. I'm gonna keep it together today.
Good luck.
If you want to learn how to do eyebrows really quickly, keep on watching. Before we continue with the video, I do want to say thank you to all my subscribers for liking, commenting, and watching my video. You guys mean the world to me. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by, visiting my channel. Hopefully you learned something and you come back and you subscribe. Both products I'm going to be using in today's video are from Benefit. This video is not sponsored by Benefit. I am not that famous or that important. I do love Benefit for their eyebrow products, their mascara. I haven't really tried much of anything else. Anyways, we're going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4. And also I'm going to be using the 24-hour brow setter. Guys, using a brow gel is literally game-changing. I just can't believe I've lived so long without using eyebrow gel till literally like 2.5 years ago.
Wow.
That's crazy. And before that, I barely used a pencil. Like, where was I? But we survived all this time through all the trials and tribulations of not having the best brows. So it's fine. Okay, let's talk about the product just a little bit first. So the Precisely My Brow Pencil, I really like this color because it's not too dark. I have used shade 5 and 6 in the past, but I found those colors were too dark for me. Like my hair is more of a brown naturally. So sometimes when it's too harsh, like a black, it just looks like ba-bam, ba-bam on me. I like this pencil because it has like the really precise end on one end, and then on the other end, it's the spoolie or the brush, whatever you call it. So you just have like 2 in 1. You don't have to carry a spoolie and a brow pencil. So this makes it really convenient. This, guys, is literally the secret to my brows. I feel like you can use any brow pencil, but this gel specifically and the brush is amazing. Let me show. So I feel like a gel is a gel, like it's gonna perform the same. This brush makes a huge difference because I'll show you. Ooh, that's really gooby. The one side, the bristles are longer than the other. I like using the longer side. I find these spiky bristles really help to pull your hairs up and really give good definition to your brows. This is literally the secret why my brows always look really defined and the hairs are always up. They're not moving nowhere because of this gel.
Wow.
Again, this video is not sponsored by Benefit, I promise. Nobody's giving me no money, no clout for me, honey. Is that how you say it? Clout? Clout? I don't know. I just felt like using that word because somebody on Instagram mentioned it the other day and I feel like I wanted to say it.
Don't come for me, honey.
Okay, let's get started.
Ooh.
I'm gonna bring you guys closer.
Baby.
Too close. Is this comfortable for you guys? too personal. Guys, I'm gonna be looking down here because my mirror is right there. So if I'm not looking at the camera, don't think I'm being rude. I mean, sometimes I'm rude. Before we get started, let me talk about my eyebrows really quickly. So my brows are really sparse right here and the tail, and obviously in the front, as you can see. I literally have a scar right there from when I was a kid, trying to take off the hair with a razor. It was really traumatizing. I had like no brows right there. Those were troubling times. Same thing on this side, as you can see. I do have a scar right there from a car accident. I'm okay now. You'll notice throughout the video, I like to hold my brows right here. I feel like I get more control that way, and it doesn't put so much pressure and pigment on the brows. Let me show you guys. It's going to create a harsher line like that, but if you hold it here and you kind of gently stroke it,
Yep, I'm a child.
it's going to do that. Okay, so I like starting my brows from the middle of my brow where it's sparse. And gently create that shape. If you guys notice, I like to round out this part just because I don't like it being too square, then it looks too harsh. So keep on gently stroking. See the difference already? So I'm gonna do this part in a second. Let me do the same thing on this side. Just remember guys, brows are not supposed to be sisters, they're supposed to be cousins. The same thing on this side.
I kind of went overboard on this brow, but we'll fix it.
Just remember, you can always apply more product when you need it. So take your time, just look at every single spot. Brows are so important because it really frames your face. So it's like your makeup might look great, but if your brows are not on point, it's like the first thing people notice, I think. And obviously your beautiful eyes. I mean, my eyes are kind of basic, but. So I feel like I put too much product right there. It's gonna look better when I blend that out. You will see. This area I like to go up like that, in that kind of motion. This is harder than it is with the mirror there. I need a different mirror. Un momento. That to me, guys, looks really crazy, but don't be worried, I'm gonna fix it. I need to trim my eyebrows so bad, but I haven't done my eyebrows like professionally in like literally months. Now I'm going to be blending it out with the spoolie, soften out the edges, soften out those strokes you made. I feel like that's like the wrong way of saying it. Can someone correct me what I should say?
If you guys notice, I always go back and forth between the brows to make them look as similar as possible. For example, here I was blending, but then I went back to round out the arch to make it similar as the other brow.
And I feel like the hairs have a mind of their own. So this is what it looks like with no eyebrow gel. So obviously it looks pretty good to the naked eye, but I feel like it just looks like I drew my eyebrows. There's no definition. We're gonna get definition though. So take your eyebrow gel, make sure it's facing the long bristle side. Bristle, that's the word, bristle. Take off the excess product, and you have to work fast, guys, because if you keep reapplying the product again and again, it's going to make your eyebrows look crusty and dry, and it's gonna look like there's like white residue coming out. This side is my treble brow, so I'm gonna start with that side first. So start from the front to the back and keep moving it up like this. It's like you almost want to create like a wave, but like going up. I like to be super precise with it, so I like to get extra close and literally coat every single hair. It's like I'm controlling the direction the hairs are going and exactly where I want it to stay, because you want it to literally place it strategically. That way your brows look fuller than they are. So I'm really focusing on keeping them up. So I don't know if you guys notice a difference. This side looks way more defined than this side. Do you guys see it? Other side now. Do you guys like being this up and personal? I mean, I don't mind if you don't. If you guys can notice, I'm really trying to make these hairs extra straight in the front part and then kind of curve it going this way. It's like hard to talk and do this. Putting some extra right there because I like to have a lot of definition right there. I think it looks good when the hairs are extra up. Just be careful. I feel like this side's already dry, so I can't touch it. Just be careful you're not going over the spot too much because it's gonna make it look crusty. And we don't want to be a crusty person or a crusty brow. Crusty people need to literally stay away. Okay, I'm really happy with my brows and how they turned out. What do you guys think?
Wow, so beautiful.
Let me move back now. Guys, I feel so much better now. I feel like I look like me again because my brows are back. I really hope, guys, it was easy to follow along doing this eyebrow tutorial. I've never really gotten that up and personal, and honestly, it was really hard to like do your brows and talk at the same time. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments about how I do my eyebrows or any specific things about the way I did it, please feel free to comment below and I'll love to answer your questions. Well, now that my brows are done and I really don't have a life, I don't know what I'm gonna do now with myself. I think I'm gonna go for a walk with my dogs because that is very exciting and it's a beautiful day. Finally, there's no rain. And if you guys wanna keep on talking, watch me do weird things, talk about things that matter to me and be my awkward self, my Instagram is just Jamie P. If you guys like today's video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you do want to watch future videos from me, don't forget to hit the notification bell, which is somewhere here usually. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. It's so nice outside. I will talk to you soon. Bye.